Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to log into your Bilibili account. To log into Bilibili website, first of all, open a web browser of your choice. If you're using a mobile device, you can simply open up the Bilibili app and then sign into your account. Once you open up a web browser, go to the URL box and type in bilibili.tv and search. From the main homepage of Bilibili, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to the profile avatar and click on Login Now. Now, select one of the login methods that is suitable to you. You can log in with your Facebook account, Google account, Twitter, phone or email, or simply log in using the QR code method. Make sure to select the same method that you chose while signing up. I chose the login with phone or email option, so let me click on that. Also make sure to check this little box at the bottom, and once you do that, on the next page, it'll ask you to enter your phone number or your email address. If you've chosen phone number, enter your phone number in the text box and click on send code and enter the verification code and click login. To log in with email, make sure to enter your email address and the password that you created while signing up for Bilibili. If you don't remember the password, you can click on forgot password and follow through the instructions. Finally, go ahead and click log in, and then after your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Bilibili account right away. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.